Welcome back to UK TechGenius. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered gadgets that are revolutionizing our daily lives. From smart home devices to wearable tech, these innovations are not just cool, they're game changers. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about smart home devices. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and even your coffee maker with just your voice. Gadgets like the Amazon Echo and Google Nest Hub are making this a reality. These devices use advanced AI to learn your preferences and make your home more efficient and comfortable. The Amazon Echo, for instance, can play your favorite music, set reminders, and even order groceries for you. It's like having a personal assistant right in your living room. Next, let's look at wearable tech. Smartwatches and fitness trackers are more than just accessories. They're powerful tools that help you stay healthy and connected. Devices like the Apple Watch and Fitbit use AI to monitor your heart rate, track your workouts, and even detect irregularities in your health. The Apple Watch, for example, can perform an ECG, track your sleep patterns, and remind you to stand up if you've been sitting too long. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. AI is also making waves in healthcare. From diagnostic tools to robotic surgery, AI is helping doctors provide better care. Gadgets like the Butterfly IQ, a portable ultrasound device, use AI to provide real-time imaging and diagnostics. This device is revolutionizing how doctors diagnose and treat patients, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. AI is also transforming entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to recommend content based on your preferences. This means you spend less time searching and more time enjoying your favorite shows and music. Netflix's recommendation engine, for instance, analyzes your viewing habits and suggests shows and movies you'll love. It's like having a personal curator for your entertainment. The future of AI-powered gadgets is incredibly exciting. From self-driving cars to AI-powered personal assistants, the possibilities are endless. These innovations are not just making our lives easier, they're changing the way we interact with the world. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work, your home anticipates your needs, and your devices keep you healthy and entertained. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI-powered gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to UK TechGenius for more.